Benefits of aloe vera. Why aloe vera good for men? Benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a bush, lasting, succulent plants. Benefits of aloe vera. This liliaceous plant generally has light green shading. Much the same as the basic succulent plant, it has all leaves appearance. The leaves are long, thick, pointed and have serrated edges. The thick leaves create jam-like substance and the inward piece of the takes off. The gel is the thing that we discovered gainful for human. Aloe vera has been known as one of common fixings with numerous advantages. We can discover the benefits of aloe vera for hair and scalp, and the health benefits of aloe vera juice for skin. Presently, we can without much of a stretch discover supplement, hair and skin treatment which includes aloe vera concentrate. For example, cleanser, cream, or lotion, and even oil for men upgrade. Components of aloe vera. Aloe vera contains helpful segment to give us the advantages of aloe vera for male improvement, particularly either as oral or topical supplement. Some of aloe vera ingredients are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin E, magnesium, folic acid, calcium, copper. The benefits of aloe vera for male enhancement. Benefits of aloe vera is very important for men. Men enhancement is one of today's big businesses. There are more men hoping to have longer and thicker penis which enhance their certainty. The men improvement practices more often than exclude a few soaks which ought to be connected 3 to 5 times each day. Not just activities, male improvement additionally includes a sound way of life by eating specific sort of nourishment, which is gainful for the upgrade. Not just enhancing the size, male improvement likewise help the better creation and nature of semen. Likewise, it is additionally help the blood flow in men's genital organ. Benefits of aloe vera with improves sperm. Benefits of aloe vera with improves sperm is very important. Enhancing sperm quality is one of the advantages of aloe vera for male improvement. It is on account of aloe vera is known to be rich with vitamin E. Research demonstrates that men with adequate vitamin E allow fundamentally enhances sperm check motility. The benefits of aloe vera can also be obtained by consuming healthy food from fruit or herbal leaves. Hence, other than the advantages of aloe vera to enhance sperm tally and motility, men can likewise utilize the health benefits of avocado oil and health benefits of yuzu leaves. Enhancing sperm can likewise be proficient by some solid propensities such health benefits of not wearing underwear at night. Improves sexual hormone. Taking aloe vera as supplement amid the male upgrade treatment furnish men with great measure of vitamin B. Vitamin B from aloe vera can manage sex organs. The activity credited by sex hormones of which the creation is influenced by the admission of vitamin B. What's more, calcium in aloe vera can likewise be valuable for typical organs work including the sexual organs. The correct capacity will likewise influence the sexual drive in men.